Entry number 1, Subic.
Let's go in the garden. You'll find something waiting right there where you left it, lying upside down. Let's go in the garden. You'll find something waiting right there where you left it, lying upside Everything stays right where you left it. Everything stays until it changes ever so slightly.
Hi guys, good morning. Um, we are day 2 here in Subic and it's still raining and I really love it. It's so pretty. Yeah, we're having coffee and then later we're gonna go out for breakfast. So that's the thing. Yeah. My view right now is the ocean and it's super pretty, like with the rain in it and everything. Love it a lot. See you guys.
When everything stays.
Wow, go Dad. Go Dad.
Bye.
Bye. You're not being seen with a camera. Hey guys, that was the whole travel diary thing. I thought I would just
give a quick outro and a little bit of an introduction to the video before it ends. I was actually supposed to be vlogging the whole weekend, but then when I looked at the clips that I have, I didn't have enough to actually form a vlog, if that makes any sense. So I thought I would start doing one of these like travel diary things, and I thought it was pretty cool. Like I liked how it ended up. Um, but be sure to let me hear what you guys think because I actually enjoyed making this whole thing like kind of like artsy, kind of not really, but then I just kind of showed you like the highlights of the whole weekend. The stuff that I didn't show you guys in the weekend was like mostly just us eating, which I don't think you guys want to see. So yeah, but that's basically it. That's how my weekend went. It was super fun. I super enjoyed everything, even with the typhoon. Still pretty cool. But yeah, so yeah, that's basically everything I wanted to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.